Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bell with Viyamonil India. My name is Rajashekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst, part of MarketSmith India team. Before we go ahead into this podcast, I like to state the disclaimer very clearly, which is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. With this, let's look into Nifty's daily chart to understand how the market is placed in the current moment. As we all know, Nifty has been trading near all-time highs around 22,200 levels, which was made recently. And during this upward trend, Nifty has held its 21 DMA, which is a positive sign. Couple of occasions it has breached its 21 DMA, but within a short period of time, around 1 week, within a period of 1 week, it reclaimed that index, showing good signs of strength still persisting in the market. Going forward, this 21 DMA is going to be a very crucial level for the index, that which is a green line here, 21 DMA, and the red line is the 50 DMA. And once this 21 DMA is breached, 50 DMA is not very far from there. So 21 DMA and 50 DMA collectively are going to act as a support for the index. But if those two levels are breached, definitely we might see further selling happening because there is no major support after 50 DMA. The next support is at 100 DMA, which is very far from here. But looking at the few pointers, data points, macro perspective and macro perspective, that is not the probability of Nifty of falling from here are the less chances. We might see some profit booking kind of downward trend, but sharp selling is not expected until there is unexpected scenario. But looking at the pointers, that is a very unlikely scenario from here. We might see a consolidation on the index, that is Nifty moving sideways, which has been happening for the last 1 month. Such a scenario can be expected because now that Q3 earnings are behind us, so there is no major uh, pointers to take the Nifty forward from here. Next, there is union election point, which might act as an uh, uh, very inflection point from where Nifty might rally from there or might fall sharply. And the March quarters are still 2 months from here, around more than 1 month from here. So until then, we might see some consolidation or Nifty moving 2 to 3% from here and there. That is the most probability that is expected. Coming to the O'Neill's perspective, we have changed the market status to confirmed uptrend because the Nifty made a new all-time high, that is reclaimed the previous all-time high. And we are at a distribution day count of 4. One distribution day expired yesterday, so uh, we are the distribution day count has come down from 5 to 4. From here, if there is any further distribution days accumulation and Nifty breaching 21 DMA, 50 DMA, then we might change the market status to under pressure. Until then, we continue to stay in a confirmed uptrend. And talking about model portfolio, we have a good number of stocks already in our portfolio. If there is any stock which is looking very good, both fundamentally and technically on chart wise as well, we might consider for addition. Coming to the portfolio stocks, if there is any stock moving sideways or breaching their key support levels, we will monitor them and we might exit depending on the price volume action. Coming to the new key news section, Olectra has received an award from BEST, that is Mumbai's transport system, for supply and operation and maintenance of nearly 2,400 electric buses. This is on gross cost contract basis. And these 2,400 electric buses are valued at 4,000 crores of rupees and which are to be delivered within a period of 18 months. Positive for the stock. IRCT has tied up with Swiggy food delivering platform for the supply of pre-ordered meals through IRCTC e-catering portal. Vodafone Idea board of directors will meet coming week, that is February 27th, to consider all fundraising proposals. Uh, Most of the Q3 the companies have reported their Q3 results. Today, rain industries and software of India are expected to come up with their results as well. So please be watchful if you have any positions in these stocks. Coming to yesterday's institutional activity, foreign institutional investors were net sellers. They sold more than 400 crores of Indian equities. Domestic institutional investors gave good support for the market. They have bought more than 800 crores of Indian equities. Coming to the global update, US market closed on a very strong note, especially because of Nvidia coming up with very good results and the revenue guidance for the next financial year has been very good. So that tech stocks have given good rally and followed by other stocks as well. So Dow Jones has closed more than 1.2% higher, whereas S&P closed 2.1%. Nasdaq Composite, which is a tech heavyweight index, closed almost 3% higher. Asian markets are trading on the positive traded, but the amount of gains are not higher as much high as US market. Kospi with a gain of 0.5%, whereas Shanghai is trading with a minute gain of 0.1%. GIFT Nifty index is also indicating a slightly positive opening for the index, around 70 to 80 point higher opening is expected. So going by the global cues, US market cues especially, we might see positive opening on the Nifty index and Nifty making a new all-time high in this trading session as well. For the chart of the day, we picked the CDSL as the stock has been in our watch list. Currently, it has come down from its pivot, but the positive sign is when the stock has breached its moving averages, the volumes have completely dried up, which is a positive sign. We would like the stock to come to its pivot on above average volumes, indicating good accumulation. Uh, Ratings for this stock are looking very good. EPS is at 94, indicating strong fundamental character. Technical ratings such as price strength and ABD rating are also looking good. Number of funds section is also looking very good for the company. Consistent increase in number of funds. Our return on equity is at 28%, very good. So on most of the parameters, it is looking good. Only thing is it is trading below its pivot. If it comes to pivot on above average volume, so definitely a very good contender for adding to portfolio. Thanks for joining today's pre-bill. Have a